Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, a three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. JigSaw Sudoku and the four stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. News of the day, well, Holland has won the first gold medal with Olympics with rowing, yeah. 9006 this will be. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have a 4 stars with 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication with the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. 3 nines. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay, 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the column next, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 6, need a 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6, 7. Need a 4, okay, 7. Need a 6 there. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 there. Oh, well. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 6, 6, okay, 4, 5, and a 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, okay, 5, 5, need a 5 here or there. Well, This one is not easy. 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the column, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3, 3. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in this box. 5 in the second row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, the 5 in one of those two boxes in... we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, and a 7 in the third row. We have a 5 and a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only two places left with a 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left. In the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only two places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Yeah. Need a 3 there. Well, we have a pair again. The 3 and a 6 in the third row. The 3 and a 6 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only two places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and a 6 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 missing numbers in this third row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. Cannot fill this yet. 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 and 8, okay. Need a 6 there. How about the number 2 in this column? 2 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only place left 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see, 7, 3, 4, 4, 4. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. That means in this row, yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. And here can be 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay, and now. 7. I need a 9 here. Need 8 here. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 3. Yeah. We have a pair again. The 3 and a 5 in this row. The 3 and a 5 in the last row. So the row between the only two places left for the 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column. 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 1 box left now in this third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this that row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 2, number 2. And now. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Come on. 7 and 8 and 6. Need a 6 there. Yeah. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 should be there. How about 4? 4 should be here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. How about the 8 then? 8. No 8 here. Yeah. 5 and a 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 6 goes there. Need a 6 there. That means we need a 6 here. Yeah. In the last column, we need a 6. Here can we 6, because we have 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can we 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can we 6, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 in the last column should be there. Then 7 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. Same number, 7 and 8. We have 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes and there. Then... Yeah. 4, 8, and how about need a 4, 8, and I need a 5. No, I need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left with the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left with the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8. We have 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes. And then 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers. 3 and 6. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 50 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Yeah. We solve again. Not 4, not 3. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.